Hey students, welcome to channel Maths Mint by Kamlesh. Today I shall solve for class 11 Maths exercise 3.1 question number 2 from NCERT book. Chapter is trigonometric functions. I hope you will please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks. Question is find the degree measures corresponding to the following radian measures. Use pi equal to 22/7. In this question we have to find the degree measures. These measures are given in question 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are given in radian measures that we should change into the degree measures. In earlier question number 1, the degree measures were given and we were changing it in radian measures. Here radian measures are given, we have to change in degree measures. We know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So 1 radian will be equal to 180 degree by pi. Right? We can write this also in this way. 1 radian equal to 180 by pi. This is the formula which we shall use here. Okay. Question first is 11 by 16 radian. This is the sign of radian. So we shall write since 1 radian equal to 180 by pi, so 11 by 16 radian will be equal to 11 by 16 into 180 by pi means 22/7, and this will be 11 by 16 into 180, and this denominator will change in numerator and this division will be changed into multiplication, so it will be 7 by 22. Right? This 11 will be cut by 22, it will be 2, and this will be cut by 4, it will be 4, and it will be 4 4 the 16 to 5, 45. Right? So finally we have 45 into 7 by 8. Right? It will be 7 5 the 35, 28 to it will be 315 degree by 8. Now 315 will be divided by 8. 8 3 ja 24, it will be 7, 5 will come, 8 9 ja 72, it will be 3, so it will be 39 degree plus 3 by 8 degree. Okay, it will be 39 degree plus 3 by 8 into 60. Why? Since 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So this degree is in fraction, so we are changing in minute. We have multiplied it by 60. By 4 it will cut, it will be 2 and it will be 15. So ultimately 39 degree plus 45 by 2 minute. It will be 39 degree, 45 divided by 2, so it will be 22 plus 22 minute, and 1 by 2 minute will be multiplied by 60, since 1 minute equal to 60 second. Right? So it will cut by 30. So finally it will 39 degree, 22 minute and 30 second. This is the answer. Second question is minus 4 radian, since 1 radian equal to 180 by pi, so minus 4 radian will be minus 4 into 180 by 22 by 7. It will be minus 4 into 180 into 7 by 22, right? So by this we can cut it. It will be minus 2 and it will be 11. This will be minus 14 into 118, minus 2 into 7, minus 14 and 180 as it is here. So it will be by 11. 14 will be multiplied by 180, 14 0 0, 14 8 is 112, and 11, 14 1 is 14, and 11 25. This will be minus 25 by 20 by 11. Okay, so we shall divide it. 25 divided by 11, it will be 2 times, so it will be 22. 3 is here, 2 will come down here, so 32. Again it will be 2, so 22, and it will be 10, and it is 0 here, so 111 9 times will be 99, 1 will be remainder, so it will become degree, equal to 229 degree plus 1 by 11 degree, which will be changed in minute multiplied by 60, since 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So it will be 229 degree plus 11 5 ja 55, so 5 minute and 5 remainder will 5 by 11 into 60. This remainder was minute, 5 by 11 minute, and it became second. So it will be, since 1 minute equal to 60 second, so it was multiplied by 60. So 229 degree 5 minute plus this will be 300, 5 into 60, 300 divided by 11, 11 2 ja 22, it became 8, 0 is here, 11 7 ja 20, 77, minus it will be 3, here it will be decimal, so again we shall put 0 here, so it will be 2 times 22, again it will be 8, it will be 0, so 7 27.27. In final decimal it will be correct position, one decimal correct position will be 27.3, and this 3 is less than 5, so for correct decimal it will be 27 only. Okay, in decimal answer is not being written per degree, so we are doing the correct decimal place. Correct decimal place, it is 27, so it became 3, and it is less than 5 decimal, so this we can ignore, and 27, so this will be 27 second. And as answer is all are in minus, so we put minus here, so it will be 229 degree 5 minute 27 second, minus will remain here. Minus plus is nothing, this shows only the rotation of the rays for the angles. If it is plus, it will be anti-clockwise, if it is minus, it is clockwise. So if it is plus or minus, we have nothing to worry. Only if question is in minus, we shall put answer in minus. Okay, this is answer. Third question is 5 pi by 3 This is radian. We have to change in degree. So we shall write since 1 radian equal to 180 by pi, so 5 pi by 3 radian will be equal to 5 pi by 3 into 180 by pi. Okay, this 180 by pi, pi will be cancelled. So 5 by 3 into 180. This 3 will be cut by 18. 6 times 0, 60. So 5 into 60 is equal to 300 degree. Answer. Okay. Fourth question is 7 pi by 6. Again we shall write since 1 radian equal to 180 by pi, so 7 pi by 6 will be 180 by pi into 7 pi by 6. This pi will be cancelled. 6 3 are 18, 0 will remain here. So it will be 0 is 0, 7 3 are 21, 210 degree answer. So these are the answer. These are simple question for auxiliary question answer. If you have liked this session, please like, share and subscribe this channel. If you have any doubt, please write in comment box. I will give its reply. Thanks.